Hey everyone, this is Elaine from Larkin Lane Creations. Today I kind of have a big project I want to show you, so once again I've asked my friend Joanne to do the videotaping for me. So what I have here are some kitchen cabinet samples, and they are the front of the door and the front of the drawer, and they are in a frame. And as you can see here, no two are the same, the wood is not the same, and the items that I put on them are not the same. Now, I've not seen these anywhere before. I've seen some things done with the front of the doors, but not the whole entire unit. So in this case right here, I had to put a back on them. They usually do come with the frame and, like I said, the door and the drawer front. You will also notice on some of them, the drawer front is on the bottom, and on others, the drawer front is on the top. And all that depends on where I put the hooks for the keys. So now let's open up one and let me show you what I've done. I'm going to open up two of them because they do sometimes too open different ways. Now, as you can see, I have put cork on here. So we've got the chalkboard on the front with the chalkboard holder. I've added the handle, a little decoration, and the hook. You open it up and I've got the cork and the galvanized steel. Now for the cork, I simply use sheets of thin cork. So what I do is I buy some wrapping that you would put between your plates and your dishes. And that's what I put as my bottom layer under the cork. It makes it a little thicker for the pins. So the other day I showed you magnets that I had done from tiles. And this is some of those right here. So I add the galvanized steel, the magnets, I give the chalk and some push pins. And I just call it a message center. And like I said, there are no two the same. To me, they're a great way to use these cabinet samples. It's a lot of work, lots involved. I've had to learn how to use power tools, but it's been fun. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope it gives you an idea. And again, thanks for coming by. And please like my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up. Bye.